Yo, today I built a rolling tech house banger in the style of UK/Brazil underground with our new sample collection, London Rollers. This is what it sounds like.
One time for the people, one time for the peeps. One time for the people, one time for the peeps. One time for the beat, one time for the peeps. One time for the beat, one time for the peeps.
So I really dig these underground, dirty kind of sounds, and I'm gonna start with the first one. That is this sound from the Serum presets from London Rollers, and this is how it sounds like. And then the low end. So this is what the synth patch looks like. With some effects here, some nice macro knobs to play around with it, like a cutoff, reverb, attack, and a lot of stuff to make it as easy as possible for you to make automations with it. This is the super simple MIDI. And for the post-processing, I have used a drum bus, a wider, make it a tiny bit wider with this low pass to 150 Hertz. For sure, I did a mid-side EQ because I don't want to have the frequencies underneath 100 Hertz around that area to be stereo. I really want to make sure that these frequencies are mono, so that's the reason why I make that sure with the mid-side EQ. It boosted some frequencies in this area, some sidechain, some reverb automation, and a filter automation. That's for the beginning parts, like here. And then, because the MIDI actually starts here, if I mute this, you really miss the frequencies here, like the low frequencies when it drops. So that's the reason why I have used this. And then together it sounds like this. So that's it for the synths. For the post-processing on this sound, I cut all the frequencies out, like here, a sidechain, and for the drums it sounds like this. Just a full groove. That's it. Together with the bass, it sounds like this. So I have some modular loops and some analog build-up loops here in the beginning. And then with some scratch loops. That's how you make that interesting. And then the sound opens up here a bit. With this macro knob, it's actually running through the cutoff. And here is the gap because I have the vocal playing here. I've muted it right now because I'm gonna come back to the vocal later on. But this is just to show you these macro knobs. And here it's repeating all the time, and then here it opens up like fully. And I haven't the bass steps right here because I want to show you how that sounds without the bass step playing there. So you really miss this if you didn't apply that right here. And I really like that the sound it's sounding very weird, like. As you can see here in the patch, it has a little bit of attack here, and I've opened that attack up a tiny bit. Like if you see here, this is when it's super short attack, and this is when you play around with the attack knob. So you can go as crazy as you want with this synth patch. So the next thing is the vocal.
One time for the beat, one time for the peeps.
Some simple delay automation.
One time for the beat, one time for the peeps. One time for the beat, one time for the peeps.
And here the delay is giving it a robotic effect to make it even more crazy on this part.
One time for the beat, One time for the peeps.
Then I have some effects. Some response effects. When you hear the drums, you can really hear that. Just to make it interesting. If you hear everything together, it sounds like this. So these small effects really make sense to make it more interesting. Then the last thing is this serum. Also one of our cool serum presets. This one is called Bassy Step. Then I have some delay, some robotic delay. To make it a little bit crazier.
One time for the beat. One time for the peeps. One time for the beat. One time for the peeps.
So that is how I created a rolling tech house track in the style of UK underground / Brazil underground. So if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.